Okay, in that we learn how to solve the equation. Also we learn about the word problem. And then today we will start some revision example for a linear equation in one variable. Now what is the equation? Equation means it is a statement of equality. Means it contains an equal to sign in which we have one or more variables. Variables means unknown quantity that we take from the alphabet. For example, x, variable b, variable a, that are called unknown quantity. Okay. So equation means it is a statement of equality which contain one or more unknown quantity, or you can say it is a variable, is called an equation. Okay. Now what is a linear equation in one variable? We have only one variable because we learn about the equation that contain only one variable. Okay. So we have one variable. Linear means the power of variable is always 1, not more than 1. If power of variable is more than 1, then it is not a linear equation. For example, if we have equation like x square plus 2, then it is not a linear equation. Why? Because here in the power of x is 2. So let's take some example. So what we can call linear equation? If we have 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Here you can see power of x means exponent of x is 1. So that's why it is a linear equation. 1 by 3y plus 9 is equal to 50. This is also linear equation. Why? Because here exponent of y is 1. But if we have x square plus 5 is equal to 7, then this is not a linear equation. Why? Because here power of x is 2. So not a linear equation. So what is linear equation? It is an equation in which power of variable is not more than 1. Clear? Then we learn about how to is the number given is a solution of equation or not, or the statement is given it is a root of equation or not. So root and solution, it gives the same meaning. So here let's take one example. Verify x is equal to 4 is a root of 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. Now what is root and what is verification? Now verify means you need to check our left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. Okay, so you can see here our left hand side is 2x minus 3 and right hand side is 5. Means if you write value of x in the left hand side, x is equal to 4. Instead of x, if we write 4 and if we get answer is equal to 5, then this is a root of equation. Means it is called a solution of equation. So let's check our left hand side. Our left hand side is 2x minus 3. Okay. From the equal to sign, this side is called left hand side, and from equal to that side will be right hand side. So here we write x is equal to 4 in the equation. 8 minus 3. So we get 5. Now we get our right hand side. So we can write x is equal to 4 is root of 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. Clear? Now next one. Verify x is equal to 8 is a solution of given equation. Here the equation is 5x minus 4 divided 8 minus x minus 3 divided 5 is equal to x plus 6 divided by 5. It means you need to check. Here you can see we have a variable x on left hand side and also variable x on right hand side. Means we need to write value of x is equal to 8 both in the right hand side and left hand side, and then we need to check the answer. So let's start. Here our left hand side is 5x minus 4 divided minus x minus 3 divided 5. That is our left hand side. Now here we need to write x is equal to 8. So let's write 5 multiply 8. Here x is in a multiplication. Minus 4 divided minus x minus 3. Now here you cannot cancel out this 8. So we have 8 5s are 40 minus 4 divided minus 8 minus 3 divided. So this is 36 by 8 minus 5 by 5. If we cancel out, okay, so we will have, here you can cut the common factor 4, 9 4s are 36, 4 2s are, so we have 9 by 2, 5 will be cancelled, so it is 1. So here we have 9 by 2 minus 1. So now let's solve. 9 by 2 minus 2 by 2. Okay, because here 1 is there, means we need to take LCM, means 1 is multiplied with 2 and divided. So we will get 9 minus 2 is 7 by. So that is our left hand side. Now check the right hand side. Our right hand side is x plus 6 divided 5. Now instead of x you need to write 8. So let's write 8 plus 6 divided 5. So here we will get 14 by 5. So now you can see our left hand side, that is 7 by 2, and our right hand side is 14 by 5. Not same. So x is equal to 8 is not solution of equation. If we get both left hand side and right hand side same, then it is the solution of equation. Now example 3, solve x by 5 is equal to 11 is equal to 1 by 50. It means you need to find the value of variable. Solve means what? Find the variable, find the value of unknown. So let's find x by 5 here. You can take LCM here also, or you can take 11 on right side. So let's take 1 by 50 minus 3. Now here we have, let's take LCM first, so it will be more easier. LCM here is 5, so 11 is multiplied with 5. Okay, if we take first solve this left hand side, then 11 needs to multiply with 5 first, so 11 multiply 5 divided. Why? Because it will be easy to take LCM here. If you take 11 on right side, then here you need to multiply 11 with 15 and 15. Now you can see here it is better to multiply with 5 and 5. Answer will be same, but you need to select the simple method. So here we have x by 5 plus 55 by 5 is equal to 1 by. Now here we also have a denominator 5. So x plus 55 whole divided by 5 we can write. Now 5 will divide, we take it on right side. It will be in a multiplication. So 5 by 50. Now cancel out this. So we will have 5 is 50. X plus 55 is equal to 1 by. Now what you need to do? Take 55 on right side, it becomes minus 55. X is equal to 1 by 3 minus 55. Now here you need to take LCM again. So x is equal to 1 by 3 minus 55 multiplied by 3 divided by 3. LCM is 3. So here denominator you need to consider 1. So 3 multiply 3 divided. So 1 by 3. 165 by 3. Now denominator is 3 now, so you can subtract the numerator. 1 minus 165, that is minus 164 divided by 3. If that is a common factor, then you can cancel out, but here you can add 1 plus 6, that is 7, 7 plus 4, 11, and 11 is not divided by 3, so this number is also not divided by 3. So this is our answer. Value of x is minus 164 by 3. Now let's take some more example here. Example 4. Solve 1 by 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 6. So what you need to find here? You need to find variable x. Okay. So let's take number from the left side to right hand. So we have here 1 by 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 6. Take minus 5 by 2 from left side to right side. Now what is the sign of 5 by 2? It is negative. So on right side it become positive. So 1 by 3x is equal to 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 3x, here take the LCM. So what will be LCM here? 6 is multiplied with 2 divided. Why? Because LCM is 2. Now 1 by 3x is equal to 12 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So here we have 1 by 3x is equal to 12 plus 5 is 17 by 2. Now here 1 is in a multiplication, so become the denominator, and 3 in a divide become multiplier. So x is equal to 17 multiplied 3 divide 2 multiplied by is 51 by, that is answer of our variable x is equal to 51 by. Now you can check your answer. Let's check. Left hand side is 1 by 3. Value of x, you need to write 51 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now we can cancel out here. So 17 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So we will get 12 by 2. So it is 6. If we write value of x 51 by 2 on left side in equation, we will get right hand side, that is our right hand side. So this is the solution of equation. Clear? This way you can also check your answer. Now let's take next example. X by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 8. Again you can see that here the denominator is 2 and here denominator is 3. So first of all we will simplify because both number have a variable x. So let's take LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. So here x by 2 needs to multiply with 3 in the numerator and denominator, and x by 3 needs to multiply with 2 in the denominator and numerator. Why? Because LCM is 6. Now here we have 3x by 6 minus 2x by 6. It is 8. Now 3x minus 2x, that is x only. So we can write 3x minus 2x divide 6 is equal to 8. So it is x by 6 is equal to 8. Now here you can see 6 is in a denominator. So on right side it become multiply. X is equal to 8 multiplied 6, that is 40. So here variable x is 40. Now we can check our answer by writing value of x 48 in left hand side, and if we get right hand side then our answer is correct. So let's check our left hand side, that is x by 2 minus x by 2. Now value of x is 48 by 2 and here 48 by 3. So we get 24 minus 60. So subtraction will give 8, that is our right hand side. So we get right hand side means our answer is correct. Now next one more example. X by 2 plus x by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 7. Again you can see all three numbers have a variable x. So first of all we will simplify the left hand side by taking the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. If you take the LCM you will get 12. So here x by 2 needs to multiply with 6. X by 3 needs to multiply with 4. And x by 4 needs to multiply with 3 to get denominator 12. Why? Because LCM is 12. Now here 6x by 12 plus 4x by 12 minus 3x by 12 is equal to 7. Now you can see the denominator are same, so you can write 6x plus 4x minus 3x is equal to, divided by 12 is equal to 7. So 6x plus 4x is 10x. 10x minus 3x is 7x. So here we have 7x by 12 is equal to 7. Now here 7 is in a multiply and 12 is in a divide. So take 12 on right side become multiply and 7 that is in a multiplication become division. So here we have 6. Now take x from the 7 from the left to right. So here 7 will be the divide and 12 will be the multiply. So 7 will be cancelled out. X is equal to 12. Okay, so our value of x is 12. Now you can check your answer by writing x is equal to 12 in right and left hand side. So let's write. Check our left hand side. So here x by 2 means 12 by 2 plus x by 3 means 12 by 3 minus 12 by 4. So here we have 6 plus 4 minus 3. So 4 plus 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 3 that is 7. We get our right hand side. Clear? Now next one. Y minus 1 divide 3 minus y minus 2 divide 4 is equal to 1. So here y minus 1 divided by 3 and y minus 2 divided by 4. So first of all we will simplify the left hand side by taking LCM of 3 and 4. Okay. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. It means y minus 1 divide 3 is multiplied with 4 to get denominator 12 and y minus 2 divide 4 multiplied with 3 is equal to 1. Now 4 ones are 4 by minus 4 divided 12. Now here we have 3 multiplied with y, 3 by minus 6 divided 12 is equal to 1. Now if you combine these two fraction like form, means you need to apply this negative sign to hold 3 by minus 6. When you combine, if you write this kind of step for this example, then it means you need to combine these two steps. For that you need to apply this negative sign to both number, that is 3y and minus 6. But if there is a negative sign outside, then all sign inside the bracket will be changed. You can consider here bracket. So here 4y minus 4 minus 3y plus 6. Here 3y that is positive, it become negative, and minus 6 that is negative become positive. Whole divided by 12 is equal to 1. 4y minus 3y that is y minus 4 plus 6 that is 2 plus 2 divided 12 is equal to 1. Now 12 that is divide become multiplication. 1 into 12. So here y is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 2. Now 2 that is in addition becomes subtraction. So y is equal to 12 minus 2. Y is equal to 10. Here you can check your answer by writing y is equal to 10 here. 10 minus 1 that is 9. 9 by 3 that is 3. So here we will get 3. 10 minus 2 that is 8. 8 minus 8 divided 4 that is 2. So here 3 minus 2 is 1. Means our answer is correct. Here some example are given in homework. You need to solve that in a homework, and if query you can also contact. Let's take some more example. Here first example 4 is 1 by 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 6. Now here what is the variable? Here variable is x. Means we need to find the value of x. It means take the number from left side to right. So let's take 1 by 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 6. So first of all we will take 5 by 2 from left to right. What is the sign of 5 minus 5 by 2? That is negative. So on right it becomes plus 5 by 2. So 1 by 3x is equal to 6 plus 5 by 2. So here what we need to do? Take the LCM of 6, that is have a denominator 1 and 2, that is 2. It means 6 is multiplied with 2 and divided. So here we have 1 by 3x. 6 multiplied 2 divided 2. 5 by 2. Now we have 1 by 3x is equal to 12 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 1 by 3x is equal to 12 plus 5 is now 17 by. Now you can see 1 that is in a multiplication and 3 in a divide. So if we take 1 from the left to right, it becomes divide. So 1 multiply 2, and here 3 that is in a divide become multiply. So 17 multiply 3. So we have x is equal to 17 multiply 3 divide 2 multiply 1 is 51 by 2. Means our answer x is equal to 51 by. Now you can check your answer that it is x is equal to 51 by 2 or not. By writing value of x is equal to 51 by 2 in left hand side, if we get right hand side, then our answer is correct. So we have 1 by 3x minus 5 by 2. Instead of x, you need to write 51 by 2 minus 5. Here you can cancel out 17 3s are 51. So we have 17 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 17 minus 5, that is 12 by 2. You can cut the common factor, so answer is 6. Now we get right hand side, means our answer is 12. Now let's take one more example. X by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 8. Okay. So here both terms have a unknown quantity x, both terms have a variable. So here first of all we will simplify the left hand side by taking the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. It means x by 2 needs to multiply with 3 and x by 3 needs to multiply with 2 to get LCM 6. Now here we have 3x by 6 minus 2x by 6 is equal to 8. So here 3x minus 2x divided by 6 is equal to 8. 2x minus 3x is x divided by 6. Now 6 in a divide become multiply. So x is equal to 8 multiply 6, that is 40. So value of variable is 40. Now our answer is correct or not? You can check your answer by writing value in the left hand side. So here x by 2 minus x by 3. X is 48. So we will get 24 minus 60. So we get 8 and we get our right hand side. So our answer is clear. Now let's take one more example. X by 2 plus x by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 7. Again this 3 term in the equation have a variable x. So first of all we will simplify the left hand side by taking LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Now what is the LCM of 2, 3 and 4? It is 12. So here x by 2 needs to multiply with 6 to get LCM 12 in a divide. 3 needs to multiply with 4. So x is also multiplied with 4 and here x is multiplied with 3 to get denominator 12. Now here we have 6x by 12 plus 4x by 12 minus 3x by 12 is equal to 7. Now you can see the denominator is 12 now. So you can combine the numerator. So we have 6x plus 4x minus 3x 4 divided 12 is equal to 7. Now 6x plus 4x, 6 plus 4 that is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7x by 12 is equal to 7. 12 that is in a divide become multiplication and 7 that is in a multiplication become division. So you can cancel out 7 here. X is equal to 12. Now you can check your answer that is correct or not by writing the value x is equal to 12 in left hand side. So our left hand side is equal to x by 2 plus x by 3 minus x by 4. So 12 by 2 plus 12 by 3 minus 12 by 4. Value of x is 12. Now 12 by 2, so it is 6. Here we can cut, that is 4 and 4 3s are 12. So minus 6 plus 4 10 minus 3, that is 7, and our right means our answer is correct. Now here next example 7, y minus 1 divide 3 minus y minus 2 divide 4 is equal to 1. So here you can see both terms have variable y and denominator is 3 and 4. So first of all we will simplify left hand side by taking the LCM of 3 and 4. So LCM is 12. So y minus 1 divide 3 means to multiply with 4 because LCM is 12, and y minus 2 divide 4 is multiplied with 3 is equal to 1. Clear? Now 4 is multiplied with 5, that is 4y. 4 is multiplied with minus 1, that is minus 4 divided by 12. 3 is multiplied with 3y minus 6 divided by 12 is equal to 1. Now if we combine these two terms, then here outside this term there is a negative sign. Means we can consider here plus. And if we combine these two terms, then this negative sign is applied to the both term in expression. So here we have 4y minus 4 minus 3y minus become plus 4 divided 12 is equal to 1. If we want to write this kind of step for this example, means you need to apply this negative sign to both terms. So here 3y is positive, it become negative, and minus 6, that is negative, it become positive. Clear? So now 4y minus 3y, that is 1, and minus 4 plus 6, that is plus 2 divided by 12 is equal to 1. Now 12, that is in a divide become multiplication. So y plus 2 is equal to 1 multiplied 12. Y plus 2 is equal to 12. Now 2 on right side becomes subtraction. So y is equal to 12 minus 2. Y is equal to 9. Again you can check your answer by writing the value in an equation. Let's check. Here we have y minus 1 divide 3. Y is 10, so you can write 10 minus 1 divide 3. Minus 10 minus 2 divide 3. 10 minus 1 divide 3. So 10 minus 1 is 9 by 3 minus 10 minus 2, that is 8 by 4. So you can cancel out here 3 and here it is 2. So 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1, and we get our right hand side is our answer is correct. So value of x y is 10. Here some questions are given. You need to solve that in a home.